Hey guys, I decided to make the video of me trying to pick this 1100 series American after the video I made yesterday, last night, where I got it picked off camera and just made an update. So without further ado, let's see. I picked it in my hand though, but I hope this can hold it a little bit more still. And the key is right there. And there we have the lock. And I use a medium-sized bottom of the keyway and a Sparrow's short hook. Maybe I should do it like that. Alright. Pin 2, 3, 4, 5, left on 1, nice click on 2, left on 3, little click on 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 1, some clicks on 2, a little click on 3, click on 4, nothing on 5. One is overset, so we reset it all. Some nice clicks of 2, one is overset. Come on, there we go. Pin 2 is still up there. Pin 3, 4, 5. Damn it, that was 1. That was not pin 2. I'm at 3, 4, 5. Let's reset it again. Pin 2, pin 3, 4, 5, 1 is overset, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 is fine, 2, a little click, nothing on 3, a little click on 4, nothing on 5. I think we need to push on 3, and then 2, and 1 is overset. There we go. There we go. And it's open. Alright, I didn't need the top of the keyway this time to give it the last bit of a turn, but I needed that the other times though. I'll move the light up. We need the keys. Now, finally the gutting so I can see the pins. I think this was the right size. It feels like it though. what was that thing? And that thing. Oh, the camera. Genius, I need the camera down. The cylinder. And the screw, come on. Alright, so there is a clip, but we can lock it. That makes it a lot easier. What do we do? It might be easy to get that clip off in the vise. I'm sorry, guys. Just a quick second. Now I need flat screwdrivers. Just a second, guys. And it's off. Hey. All right. What do I do? I don't have a follower that is only cut half. Where's the shims? I might be able to do this with the shims though, if I do it this way. Ah, well, let's try. If I can get it in there. Come on. Might not be possible. Ah, got it in. Now let us work it up here. Hopefully. Do I even have a follower that actually fit? That is too big. This is just a rusty piece of metal, but I think that is actually what I need. It can go worse than wrong, right? It wasn't holding pin 1, but that means it's still not mixed up. Come on. That is some small pins. I'm glad I chose to take the Sparrow's short hook. Well, come on out. This is the first time I'm trying this. Oh, now I know. It is barely working. Okay. It is so tight because it's just barely working for this. Oops. That was the spring from 2. And spring from 3. I really need to get a full set of followers. Come on out. Oh, my camera is running out of battery. The last one can just get out like this. Hope, no wait. Yes, there should be one more. Come on. There we go. There we had the last spring. Very cool. So let me take you down here, guys. Hope you can see it. Serrated in 1, spool in 2, serrated in 3, 4 and 5. Keep in 1, 3, 4, 5 is also serrated. Sorry about the bad lighting. I don't have any more light than that. Well, many of you probably already know these, so it doesn't do that much. I'm just happy that I finally got this open. Now I'm more concerned if I get this back together. But that's something I will do off camera. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.